And the home team have been announced. Now let's look at the away team. And we're underway then. What can we expect here today? Well, to win the ball back. And Matic. Well. Well. Ibrahimovic. Got the ball back again. Oh, well timed. There's the defender. He's got to keep his composure. Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. And the deadlock's broken. How will the other team respond? The players have finished celebrating and we're back underway. They run it back. And it's Drogba. And this is a world-class finish. And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? Striker's ball. And he's back in possession. Chiellini with a chance. Ronaldo. Sandro. And Matic. Rodwell. He should have been too much to the opposition there. That's well played. It's a fresh challenge there. Oh, that's confident goalkeeping there. Well, got down. What a last one. Well intercepted. Oh, this could be costly. Ibrahimovic with the shot. Let's have a look at that one again.
Look on staring at me. Who are you?
It's towards goal, and it's saved by the keeper. The defender could be in trouble here. He should have been too much to the opposition there. Well intercepted. And Matic. Ibrahimovic. Oh, good save by the goalkeeper. I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again. Let's see what comes of this next. Off his head. Gets into safety. And it's half time now. It's the second half. Some fresh changes have been made. Players and the fans are ready, so this league match continues. Here leading. Mkhitaryan. Hazard. Finished really well there. Oh, and dispossessed there. Here leading. And Matic. Sandro. Here leading. Ronaldo. Not doing easy on the opposition today, no. Good block there. He chooses to throw this one out. What a one-timer. Is this the moment? Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. It's just one after the other. This team, the manager will be ecstatic. Nice work there. Hazard. Blitz. That's lofted upfield. Neymar. Now it's Pogba. Chiellini. Sandro. Ronaldo. Unintercepted. Midfield. Oh, he's been challenged there. Mkhitaryan. Oh, he has a go. Oh, that was a real chance. Let's see how close that one was to going in. The manager will be very happy here. Steps up to steal the ball. He showed a bit too much for the opposition there. Flint. Now it's Pogba. Neymar. Ibrahimovic with the shot. Good block there. Hazard. They've got the lead, but to keep it, they need to have their composure. It really has been a great game today. And the manager's making a change here. We've got cruise control now. The game is surely all wrapped up. Short throw. Good effort there. Let's see how close that one was to going in. Sandro, and Matic, Mkhitaryan, Messi. Oh, he's been challenged now. Oh, intercepted. Oh, so close there. It'll be interesting to see how close that actually was. It looked like it was going in. Few minutes of stoppage time to play then. Defenders are looking to the assistant, but the flag stays down. Shoots! This is a world-class finish. He keeps adding to his team's tally. It's becoming a great team to be passing in the final whistle. Matches ended 4-0. Some quality attacking football on this stage.